when you want to evaluate your own sources in NoodleTools, NoodleTools gives you a couple of different ways you can do this. The first is to go into the source that you used by selecting it and editing the source. I have an annotation section at the bottom. This is where you can add information that will share how you used the source, why it was important, what you got out of it, or any other information that may help you evaluate the usefulness of that source. The second way you can evaluate your sources is to add a tag. So under the tag column here, if you hover over each of the sources under the tag, I can click on the plus button and I can tag this as a primary source, meaning it's a source that I used the most. I can say it's a secondary source where it's one I used but not as much as others, and a tertiary source, which means I gathered outside information to help me understand the subject but didn't really use it in its fullest extent to understand the topic I was researching. Okay. So if I selected that as a primary source, now I have a P here. If this other article, I might also say, hey, this was a primary source. And my other ones that are not categorized, I may say, well, this one was a tertiary. I needed to understand really a quick video on what lateral rating is to get a visual for it, but the text was really what helped me understand it better. And that's pretty much all there is.